So guys, let's take a look at our USD Swiss franc for the day, starting with our daily time frame. By the way, we can see we've actually had this huge movement, right? And once our price was to push above and hit here, but one way or the other it pushes up and it starts giving us that fall, by the way. So as it has fallen, I've actually highlighted one key level area. You can see our price pushes up. We saw this retracement here. This one was our key level. Our price breaks below and it's actually at this pullback as around this area, which is another key level area here. Once price breaks below, add this pullback, another key level area. Now our price was actually on a bearish move, right? And today we actually opened and closed bullish, by the way. So there are two things probably might be happening, is that our price can actually continue to go up or it can actually falls below. So one thing is that if my USD Swiss franc can break below our lower lows here, if my USD Swiss franc breaks below my lower lows here, then I believe that we are actually on a sell. We are actually on a bearish move. We are actually to look for a short. But if it fails to break below it, then I will consider buying this my USD Swiss franc. Now let's sit on our 4-hour time frame so you would understand me better. You can see it on our 4-hour time frame. We are actually on a 4-hour time frame. We are actually on a bearish move. Let's take here as a fall, a retracement, right? Sits yeah, we actually add another fall. We've actually add a retracement here. So this our key level here. We can see another key level here. When we add this fall, before we add this pullback, we see the key level here now. And very much our USD Swiss franc is very much likely to touch this area here. So and give us that continue bearish move. That is exactly what I am saying. So if my price can break below this my wick here, then we are actually on a downward trend. But if our USD Swiss franc does not, it's continue to push up and even break above this our lower highs here, our previous lower highs here, then I can tell you for sure or guarantee that we are actually on an uptrend move. We should continue taking our buy position. So we should actually take with patience on this our USD Swiss franc. But once our USD Swiss franc open by the day, I believe our USD Swiss franc will come down to touch this our lower lows here. This our previous lower lows, giving us something like called like a double bottom. So that is exactly what I believe might probably happen. Our USD Swiss franc comes down, touch this our key level area. That is exactly what I am seeing. As we can see on our 4-hour time frame, that's open bearish and it is coming. And one thing we know, that once we add this bullish move, this huge bullish move up, we very much likely to have a pullback very soon. And you can see this bullish move from here, green card for 4-hour time frame. Now we're actually having to have this fall. So I believe we will be having that for at least see around 0.96. So I'm aiming to see our I would like to call it at least that pullback level to this area here, which is about 0.9674. So we should be aiming, if you are to take our sell position, it depends on when you are watching this, by the way. It depends. So if you are watching it as soon as I upload it, then I will advise you try and take your sell position straight downward to this our level, which is about 0.967. Then if our price continues to go up and break above this highs here, then we might consider taking a buy. But if it continues to go low and it break below our previous lower lows, then I'll consider a short on our USD Swiss franc. So our USD Swiss franc is about being patient, and let's see how our price plays out. We would want to trade what we see and not what we think. By the way, all what we are just saying now is our observation and what we possibly think might be happening, and there's every possibility it might not happen that way. So let's watch out and see how our price plays out.